Understanding the Liner Tattoo Machine, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone, today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of tattoo artistry, focusing on a crucial tool of the trade, the Liner Tattoo Machine. If you've ever been curious about how tattoos are made or are considering becoming a tattoo artist yourself, understanding the equipment used is essential. So, let's get started on unraveling the mystery behind the Liner Tattoo Machine and why it's so important in the world of tattoos. A Liner Tattoo Machine is a type of tattoo gun specifically designed for creating the outline of the tattoo. This is the first step in the tattooing process, where the artist sketches the design's main structure on the skin. The Liner Tattoo Machine uses a group of needles that are tightly bound together to create clean and precise lines. These lines form the blueprint of the tattoo, which is later filled in with color or shaded for depth and dimension. Why is the Liner Tattoo Machine so important? Well, the precision it offers is key. The initial outline is like the foundation of a building. It needs to be accurate and well-defined. A shaky or unclear outline can lead to a poor quality tattoo. The Liner Machine's ability to produce sharp, crisp lines ensures that the tattoo artist can accurately transfer the design from paper to skin, setting the stage for a masterpiece. The Liner Tattoo Machine operates on an electromagnet system that moves the needles up and down at a high speed. When the foot pedal is pressed, electricity flows through the coils, creating a magnetic field that moves the armature bar. This motion drives the needles to puncture the skin and deposit ink. The speed and depth of the needles can be adjusted, allowing the artist to control the thickness of the lines and the intensity of the outline. There are mainly two types of Liner tattoo machines, coil and rotary. Coil machines are the traditional choice, known for their buzzing sound and precise line work. They use electromagnetic coils to generate the movement of the needles. Rotary machines, on the other hand, are quieter and smoother, using a rotating motor to move the needles. Both have their pros and cons, but in the hands of a skilled artist, either can produce stunning outlines. Understanding the Liner Tattoo Machine is just the beginning of exploring the intricate world of tattoo artistry. Its role in creating the perfect outline cannot be overstated, as it lays the groundwork for the entire tattoo. Whether you're an aspiring tattoo artist or just a curious enthusiast, we hope this video has shed some light on this essential tool and its importance in the tattooing process. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and beyond.